What's the meaning of connection? Connection. Connection.
Connection. Connection. Connection refers to the state of being linked or joined together in some way. It can refer to physical connections, such as electrical wiring or plumbing, or it can refer to the abstract connections between ideas, people, or organizations. The result of a strong connection is often increased communication, understanding, and collaboration between the connected parties. This can lead to positive outcomes, such as greater efficiency in a business setting or stronger relationships between individuals. Conversely, weak or severed connections can lead to misunderstandings, conflict, and isolation.